Hey keto friends, Stu Weinstock here. If you're doing keto or thinking about starting and it just feels overwhelming to you, I totally get it. I've been there. But here's the truth. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to start. So today I want to share with you 3 baby steps that make keto feel doable, even when you're struggling starting out. Number 1, win with 1 meal at a time. Don't try to perfect your whole day. Just start with 1 meal. Maybe it's breakfast. Swap that cereal or bagel for eggs and bacon and a little avocado. Once you get 1 meal down consistently, the rest gets easier. Number 2, cut 1 carb source. Forget cutting everything at once. Just ditch one thing, maybe bread, maybe soda. You're still making progress, and your confidence builds with every small success you make. Number 3, focus on hydration. Before you change anything else, drink more water and add electrolytes. Dehydration can make keto feel 10 times harder. Headaches, fatigue, cravings. Stay hydrated, and you'll feel a massive difference. The bottom line, small steps lead to big wins. If keto feels hard, make it easier, 1 change at a time. If this helped you, click like and don't forget to subscribe for more simple strategies to make keto work for you. See you in the next one.